Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Sunfiner hair, and they sent me some beautiful hair. You can find this hair on Amazon. This is very affordable hair, and if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it the next day. This is their social media. You can follow them on Facebook at Sunfiner and everywhere else on Sunfiner store. And y'all, this packaging is beautiful. Like, this box is so dope. I never seen no packaging like this. When you first open the box, it comes with a little bag that you can put your hair in when you're done with it, or if you don't use it all. It also comes with a little card with their social media on it and a thank you from them. And they sent me 3 bundles of deep wave human hair. They sent me the inches 12, 14, and 16. And in today's video, I'm going to make a wig without a closure. So I'm going to do like bangs on the wig, y'all. This is the packaging. It is so pretty, y'all. This packaging is dope. Like, for real, for it to be from Amazon. Y'all, this is deep wave hair. It's so soft, it don't shed. Even when I was cutting it for the wig, it wasn't shedding. The wefts are neat, and it got like a nice luster to it, and it's really curly, and the ends are not dry, y'all. I love this hair so much. Like, I would get this hair like real long, but it really do have a nice shine to it, y'all. This is the 16-inch bundle, and this is all 3 of the bundles together. And like I said, I'm gonna make a wig without the closure, and this is what the wig looked like after I made it. When I cut the bangs, I just used like a razor to cut them, and I'm gonna layer this wig some more, but I didn't layer it because I want y'all to see like the actual length of the bundles without really cutting it. All I did was cut the bangs with the blade. But I like how it turned out. I think I'm gonna dye this wig, like the tips of it. I think I'm gonna dye the tips blonde. It's gonna be cute, y'all. But yes, I love this hair. Make sure y'all go shop sunfiner.store on Amazon, and they also have a store on AliExpress. But if you go on Amazon, you can get the hair for cheaper. All of the hair information will be in the description. Make sure you go shop, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it.